This is a table, treatment result of Group A in listening podcast. There's a 10 student, and then there's the 4 tests held with a different scores they achieve. So this moment I will try to explain and prove the hypothesis of this study. So without further ado, SPSS, I hope it will be seen clearly. So we'll be inserting all the data like this, and also the variable view. So we try to analyze the normality by checking the descriptive statistic on the explore, and then we insert the student's name on the factor list while the test score on the dependent list. Okay, this is show the processing summary as usual, and then this is the descriptive of each student, the mean, the median and variance, minimum, maximum, and the range. Okay, this show you the data, but that is not for today focus. Today focus is on the test of normality. So the test of normality shows we check on the significance. So each students have their own significance. There will be, and the qualification is if it's below 0.05 or 5%, so that means it is not normal. Meanwhile, if it's above 0.05 or 5%, that means the data is normal. The data distribution is normal. So based on the counting all of this in here, we found out that only one on Gian got 0.029. That means below the normal point, that is 0.05. So that means there is something abnormal. It could be many factors. One of it would be like when all students achieve good score, but others achieve not with the same statistic of score. So that could be why the data shows that it is not normal. We go to the next one by checking, okay, not this. Okay, next we will try to analyze the one-way ANOVA, how we show this. Okay, as usual, student names on the factor list while the test score is on the dependent list, and then there should be contrast. Okay, no, not this. Post hoc, we will set it as Turkey and chef, and then continue with the same significant level 0.05, and then we continue, and then okay. I hope it will be clear seen enough. Okay, should be okay. We continue. This is only the graphic shown, and then we can see the ANOVA. The ANOVA shows that we can see the degree of freedom DF right here between groups and within groups, shows it's 9 and 30, and then the F analysis is 4.551. So now to know this, we could see on here on this part. So as we already know the number of the degrees of freedom, we can measure that 4.551 is more than the degrees of freedom point. So that means we can prove that the hypothesis of H0 is wrong. As usual, we can see right here, it is proved that the first hypothesis shows that the treatment have no significant effect in improving grade 12 student. Meanwhile, the next hypothesis, the treatment have significant effect. So by concluding the data, it shows that the first hypothesis is wrong. So that means it is rejected. So the fact is, it is the First, the second hypothesis, it shows that the treatments have significant effect in improving grade 12 student listening performance. That is for the F analysis, the F ratio. I'm sorry. Next one. Next one is concluding about this. So the test score based on mean, that's based on median. It shows the significant is 0.029, which shows that it is below 5% or 0.05, where it means the data is not homogeneous. It's not the same. Meanwhile, based on the median, it is above 0.05. So that means the data is homogeneous. Otherwise, it means the same to be distributed. And then the other data also say. And then this, and that's all the explanation for today assignment. Thank you. I hope it will be explained.